Introducing the Ecosaras solar cold storage, a cutting-edge solution that uses clean solar energy to store perishable goods efficiently. What makes it truly innovative? The automatic solar panel cleaning technology. Dust and debris can accumulate on solar panels over time, significantly reducing their efficiency by blocking sunlight from reaching the photovoltaic cells. Ecosaras employs an automatic cleaning system to address this issue, ensuring the panels remain clean and operate at optimal performance levels. This automatic cleaning process involves specialized nozzles and controlled water pressure. The water is sprayed uniformly across the surface of the solar panels, reaching every corner for a thorough cleaning. The water pressure is carefully calibrated to remove dirt, dust, and other particles without damaging the panels. This deep cleaning method helps maintain the panel's efficiency and prolongs their lifespan, ensuring a consistent energy output.